handsome buck deer stood quietly grazing in a meadow at the edge of a pine forest. Suddenly, he lifted his fine horned head and sniffed the breeze blowing from the woods down to his grazing patch. His ears came alive with alertness. He scented an ancient enemy, a mountain lion. The odor of the big cat notified him that danger was near. In fact, that death was at hand. He knew this as a result of an instinct born of millions of years of inherited experience. To the young buck, the scent was an instant signal for immediate emergency behavior. To remain in the open meadow and to return to his quiet, peaceful task of eating was to put himself in useless mortal danger. He did not want to become a meal for another. The deer was without sharp claws, and being a vegetarian, had no sharp fangs. The antlers atop of his graceful head were sharp and created for defense, but these were not his main weapons of protection against the powerful and swift mountain lion. His legs were his first line of defense, and now his instinct told him to use those legs without delay. But running would require a great deal of energy. The grass he had been nibbling was not yet digested, so that would be of little value for giving his graceful legs the energy to break into powerful flight. Fortunately for him, however, he did not have to depend upon his recent meal. He had another supply of ready body fuel, a reservoir of energy stored in his body. An exceedingly complex set of nerves, chemicals, and muscles came into play in a matter of seconds. Yes, even fractions of a second. Energy began automatically and immediately to pour into his running muscles, and he fled the meadow as the lightning bolt speeds through the stormy skies. He fled to live and graze in his meadow for another less dangerous day.
Go! Go! Go!